Hi, this is Shane with the EU Image Optimizer, and today I want to show you some tips for troubleshooting when background optimization is not working on your site. So if we look over here on the right side panel, if you see something that says disabled for whatever reason, that will usually tell you or give you a good clue as to why. It may be that it's getting a 400 or 403 error from your server, in which case it's probably a firewall of some sort that's blocking the request, and that if you're not sure how to fix, you can usually chat with your web host and have them help you sort that out. But every so often it might come back with a 200 OK. It's supposed to mean all clear, everything's good, but then it still fails, and that's what we're seeing in this particular case. So if we retest, it's still going to come back with an error, and if we refresh the page, it will automatically retest, and same stinking error. What is going on? That's what we want to know. So if we right click on the page and go to inspect, that will open up the browser's developer tools. We can also get there with Command Shift C on Mac or Control Shift C on Windows, and head on over to the network tab. And over here we have a few different things that we can look at. CSS, JavaScript, fonts, all the things that make up the page we're looking at. But we're particularly interested in these XHR requests because that's how asynchronous and background optimization works, is with that sort of request. So if we hit retest to make it do it manually again, we can click on that and see headers, payload, but also the response, a preview of what came back. We can see the same error messages that we just saw over here in the side panel, but we also can see the body. And in this case, it says hey diddle diddle, which is a silly error message that I made up, of course, because the plugin would never actually tell you that. Whatever is in that body is going to be the clue that tells us, hey, what is going wrong with this request, because that body should be empty. By default, nothing should be returned. It should succeed and not have to return anything in the body of the async request. So whatever we see here, that is our clue, and so you can copy and paste that or take a screenshot, send it over to our support or your web host support and say, hey, what's going on with this? Why is this not working? And that will usually give us some clues, or might give you clues. So that's just one more tool to help us figure out what's going on with asynchronous optimization when it's not working. So I hope that helps you, and happy optimizing.